Hi there, Derek here with The Closet Doctor. I am our beautiful showroom here in Loomis, California. And I want to go through with you today the available options that we have on drawer styles and drawer boxes, types of guides we use and things like that. This is our standard drawer box that we offer. It's a metal sided drawer, so the side of it is metal. The nice thing about that is it's very thin. The drawer guide is the side of the box, so there's no screws, there's nothing to come loose. It opens and closes nice and smooth. I've used this style of drawer for almost 30 years, and the great thing about it is we have next to zero issues with it. Lots of space inside of the drawer. It is not a full extension drawer, but the back of the drawer comes out, and it's in within about 2.5 inches. So on these big drawers, we have good access into the drawer. There's no obstructions. Nice and strong and sturdy. The bottoms are 3/4 of an inch thick. Back is 3/4 of an inch thick, and there's lots of volume in the drawer. You can see this one here. This one's got a jewelry organizer in it. This is our smaller size drawer, but good drawer. Like I said, zero warranty issues, and opens and closes nice and smooth. And the self-close action, the end of the guide, about 2 inches here, has got a ramp on it. So as the drawer closes and stays closed. Our other option for drawers is a soft close option. Now, what we use, it's called an optimizer drawer, and it is also has a metal side. The interiors on it are white, 5/8 inch material, nice, smooth, and clean. Works really good. As you can see, it's a full extension. It comes out, the back is almost flush with the front of the cabinet, so you have full access to the drawer. It uses an undermount hardware that goes it mounts underneath. All of the mechanism and everything is below the drawer and not visible for the sides. Only downside with that is it does reduce the volume of the drawer just slightly, and so it's a little bit smaller for a similar size drawer as compared to our self-closing ones there. Nice thing about it, very nice smooth operation, opens and closes nice and easy, and it's got the soft close mechanism and closes nice and smooth. So those are the two options that we offer for drawers in our closets and garage and home office systems. If you have any questions about that, please reach out to us, give us a call, or come into our showroom and check them out for yourself. You'll enjoy them. Both of those, like all of our products, have a lifetime warranty on materials and workmanship, so rest assured we're putting the best products we can in your home.